Hello guys, magandang araw, sana sa maayos kayong kalagayan. Magdri-drill pala kami ngayon habang underway papuntang Canada. Naka-standby na lahat ng tropa dito sa muster station malapit sa lifeboat at nakasuot na ang lahat ng life jacket at dala-dala ang immersion suit at dahil malamig ngayon ang unang dot drill namin is abandoned ship drill at tinetest na ng second officer namin ang VHF radio in case of emergency. Medyo maaliwalas ang panahon ngayon, malamig nga lang. Pagkatapos namin pumasok sa lifeboat, ang susunod namin na drill is rescue boat drill. At yung mag-e-explain ay yung isa sa pinakamahusay na chief officer namin.
Now it's in close. So once I pull this one, so without any load, so it will release automatically. So right now, when there is no load. When I release this level, so it will be automatically released. Now it's in. So but if there is a load here, even though if I release this one, this level, it will not release. So when this this level is full and this lifeboat David, this rescue boat David will lower until when the rescue boat or lifeboat will be touched on the water, so it will automatically release. I will try to just try to make time first. Can I make it time? Manual. Okay. So there's a load already, huh? So if I release this one, wait, so it will not. So the point, the level is already down, but the hook is not released. So when the third officer release this hook down now, so it will automatically. So any question?
After mag-discuss ni chief officer, si third officer naman ang mag-explain about sa life raft.
Explain mo nang mabuti tayo, may video ka. Okay guys, attention.
Even though the David also doing everything is one. So just like the lighter. So here is a David launch time, and in the port side will be this is through overboard and also the forward. So because this one has different type of life raft. So there's
this one
there's
has
a
some
cup here, which is for
the one is when manually, especially forward. When manually when through forward. Take this one and put in the secure point of the vessel. And when done throwing overboard, just pull like
actually this life raft is already connected to the ship already. So this is when the ship sinks, so this life raft will release automatically. So this is our hydrostatic release unit. So when this hydrostatic release unit will here there is a tablet here. When this tablet is dissolved, so the blade will automatically release and will cut this rope. And then in a way this weak link, and here is still keep on board this life raft is still keeping on the ship. So once released, so it will release. So then just for example, ship is already sink and life raft is already launched automatically by using this hydrostatic release. And then so you just saw the life raft, you just come on board. So what to do, you come and find the knife there because there's a knife inside, and then you cut this there's a safety knife, then you cut the rope and you can release. All don't forget about the instruction. So we have a long poster here regarding the instruction of the life raft. So question.
So lahat naman ng instructions kung paano mag-launching ng life raft at rescue boat ay nakadikit naman sa pinakamalapit at madaling makita. Sana sa mga bago at nagpaplano mag-barko, sana may matutunan kayong munting aral dahil ito ang magliligtas ng buhay nyo kung sakali, pero wag naman sana. Ang susunod namin na drill ay fire drill at forward part ng barko.
So anyway, we will do just simulation only for this one. So we
Can
think,
do by air.
yeah. So this can do by air. So here,
There is clear instruction.
here. So here, so must ensure that this fire paint store is totally closed, including the ventilation. And so then open this door and then open the cabinet. So ensure all personnel. So here is vacated and secured. Confirm ventilation stop. Remote safety pin by actuator mounted in CO2 cylinder. So we have to release this one. Or if not this release, there's another here manual.
This pin,
Pin here.
This is for only for pet store.
Yeah, this is only for paint store CO2.
Ang galing talaga nag-explain ng Filipino Chief Officer namin, ayos talaga. At sunod naman ay enclosed space drill. At si Chief Officer pa rin bahala mag-explain.
Release. I will try to release that. Okay. So come up.
Ay, napicturan?
ay,
Naunahan pa ka pa rito.
Vlogger is the one who do it, huh? And our official photographer already, but the vlogger already done, huh? Guys, okay guys, huh? So to release, so just make sure that is push inside, and then release. Try now.
At after nito, meron pa kaming natirang dalawang drill for this month. Oil spill drill at emergency steering gear drill.
From the emergency exit from engine room, which is located from behind of this cargo hold number 2. Right? You see, there's a manhole there. This orange manhole there, and then this manhole door from front accommodation and then the back of accommodation. We have also one orange door there.
Ito ang mga gamit namin in case of oil spill at list of inventory ng mga tools in case of emergency during bunkering. Ukrainian second engineer discuss and explain what to do during emergency and what use of tools and equipment during oil spill. Papunta na kami sa last part ng drill namin, emergency steering gear, in case masira yung timon ng barko sa bridge. Chief Officer testing the telephone na nakakonect sa bridge for dot communication and try to control the movement of the ship using emergency steering gear. After test, lahat ng crew tinuturuan to learn how to steer the ship in the dot steering gear room. Say hi to them sa mga tropang pangmalakasan. Hard port, midship, starboard side. Yan ang mga command na binibigay ni Kapitan sa taas para matuto yung mga crew.
Baliktad, Roy. Baliktad yan.
At last yung kadete naming Canadian na palaging napag-dot ka man lang babae. Pagkatapos ng mahigit 2 oras natapos din at hanggang dito na lang yung video dot natin guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Ingat po kayong lahat. God bless.